About this item: replacement for official Nintendo Switch charger. Switch charger come with a certified PD protocol. It not only compatible Nintendo Switch OLED and Nintendo Switch Lite, but also compatible most Type-C devices, Pro Controller, Nintendo Switch Dock, third-party Switch Dock, Switch charging station, etc. AC adapter 40W fast charger. AC adapter provide 2 output mode: 5V 1.5A and 15V 2.6A. Intelligent assign electric current according to your devices. Most up to 40 watt. Fully charge within 2.5 hours, 1 hour of high-speed charging 60% and 1.5 hours of slow charging to extend battery life. Support Switch TV mode 15V 2.6A, full power output 39 watts. Support Switch TV dock mode well. No display break or low power issue. Ideal replacement AC power adapter for Switch. No need to unplug the official charger from the charging board often. Multi-protection and safe charge. Switch power built smart PDIC chip comes with CE/FCC/RoHS certifications, and provides the overcharging protection, overvoltage protection, overcurrent protection, short circuit protection. In addition, Switch charger thermally conductive and fireproof material designed to ensure safe use with your Nintendo Switch system. Plug and play quality charger with 5FT, 1.5M, charging cable for Switch.